In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Sway for creating newsletters. Microsoft Sway is a fantastic tool for assembling engaging and interactive newsletters that truly capture your readers' attention. So, let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward process. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing Microsoft Sway into the search bar. This will lead you to the official Sway website, where you'll find an option to sign in. Go ahead and click on Sign In. If you already possess a Microsoft 365 account, you might find yourself automatically signed in, which streamlines the process. However, if you don't have an account, don't worry. You can easily create one by clicking on Create One. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, choose a secure password, and fill out a bit more information to get set up. Once you've signed in, you're ready to start creating. On the Sway homepage, click Create New to start with a blank canvas or pick from one of the many available templates. If you're aiming to create a newsletter, you might find templates like Internal Newsletter quite useful. They serve as a great starting point and can provide some inspiration. Now, let's move on to the storyline. This is where you will piece together your newsletter by adding what are known as content cards. Begin by clicking on the Title Your Sway placeholder. Here, you'll enter a catchy name for your newsletter and add a background image to set the tone. To add more content, click the plus icon at the bottom of any card. From here, you have the option to add a variety of card types, including headings, text blocks, images, videos, and more. Each card serves as a building block for your newsletter, allowing you to include diverse media and content. As you're building your newsletter, don't forget to play around with formatting. You can emphasize text with bold and italics, or use bulleted and numbered lists to organize information neatly. If at any point you need to find additional content, Sway has a handy feature where you can search the web directly or pull content from your own device and cloud storage. If you need to rearrange elements, you can easily do so by clicking and dragging cards to different positions within the storyline. This flexibility allows you to perfect the flow of your newsletter. Once your content is set, click on the Design tab located at the top of the page to tailor the appearance of your newsletter. Explore the different style options for text and colors, and if you're in the mood for something unexpected, try clicking the Remix button to see what design Sway suggests for you. Now select the scrolling style for your newsletter, whether you prefer vertical, horizontal, or presentation mode. Vertical scrolling is a popular choice for online newsletters as it mimics the familiar reading flow. Before wrapping up, click the Play button to preview how your finished newsletter looks in action. Once satisfied, hit the Share button in the top right corner. Microsoft Sway provides various sharing options. You can generate a link, create a visual link with a thumbnail, or embed the code on a website. Remember, you also have the option to set permissions to control who can view or edit your masterpiece. And there you have it. You've now learned how to create a newsletter in Microsoft Sway, ready to engage your audience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with Sway.